Are you a local business owner? Want to get more customers walking through your door? Loca's got you covered. We help you connect people in your community and boost sales with two super campaign options. First up, let your customers do the talking. They snap a picture or video of your place and they share it on Loca. It's like free advertising, straight from your biggest fans. People see what's great about your business and boom, more customers. Want to get more folks in the door today? Offer a reward. Customers make a purchase, snap a pic of their receipt, and get rewarded right through Loca. They're happy, you're happy. It's a win-win situation. The best part? Loca is so simple, no extra staff, no complicated training. It's word-of-mouth marketing on autopilot. And rewards? They go straight to your customer's bank account. Easy peasy. Ready to give Loca a try? Join today and turn those everyday visits into marketing gold.